Hello everyone, it's Justin Oakley from Oakley Home Access, your one-stop shop for home modification services, ranging everywhere from grab bars, stair lifts, ramps, anything you can imagine to facilitate aging in place, fall prevention, and increasing accessibility throughout the community. Now, today I'd like to focus our Tip Tuesday on foldable suitcase ramps. Now, these ramps are portable and foldable, and they're made by the same manufacturer, Easy Access, as our modular ramp systems. So we know they're durable, we know the quality is great. What these allow is for the more portable and potentially temporary situation. Now, you're only going to want to utilize these for about 1 to 2 steps up maximum. So anywhere from 6 to 12 inches, we can accommodate ramping with these portable situations. So there's graphite and then there's aluminum. The graphite are a little more expensive, but they're extremely lightweight. You can see here how light they are, and they fold up just like a suitcase very nicely for easy transportation. A lot of these smaller ones are going to be really great for the community. Individuals can have them in their vehicles and lay them down to get over a curb perhaps when they don't have the curb cut in some communities. So they're very versatile. They can be used indoors when a lot of times from the kitchen to the main level there may be one single step, and for wheelchair access this small foldable suitcase ramp is a perfect solution to that. So again, Oakley Home Access is our company name. We offer free home safety assessments. As an occupational therapist, I'll visit with you at the home and just lay out all the different options and things we can do to make things safer, increase accessibility, facilitate aging in place, and fall prevention. Happy to help any way we can. 401-429-3882 is the phone number. You can always find a wide variety of information and book an appointment at oakleyhomeaccess.com. And happy to help any way we can. See you next week.